this video we are going to see how to install Apache server and then configure it and then check on the browser. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is you have to make sure all the packages are up to date. For that, using apt-get update, you can make sure that all the packages are up to date, and then you can install the latest package of Apache 2. Apt-get install Apache Apache 2-y. Okay. It is getting installed. Processing trigger from UFW. It is a Ubuntu firewall thing. Yeah, it is installed. Okay. Once it is installed, let's check the process. It is running or not. Apache 2 status. Yeah, it is active and running. Okay. Now let's check on the browser. Okay, it is IP address is 48.128. Okay, yeah, it has been successfully installed. And then now let's check the configuration file. Change /etc Apache. Okay, here we have to check Apache 2 config file. Okay, this is what is displayed as a default one. So now let's change the directory to /var/www/html. Okay, there is a file index.html. Let's create a file, test.html. Okay, and then here I'm going to type hi there. Okay, let's check on the browser. /test.html. Here you can see hi there. So let's change the file inside the text. Okay. How are you? Let's save this file and check it out again. Just reload it. Yeah. This is how you have to install the Apache server and configure it. And if you want any new text files, you can go to this path and then paste it there and check on the browser with the IP address and that file name. You will get the output. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.